Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mengabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke wenze ukulungele-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngikulethele-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke ezishisayo kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke ukuze ungakuphosi into yakwenza njengamanje ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana sekuvele kwenzeka isimanga-ke laphana-ke ubaba ebulala indodakazi yakhe laphana-ke uSilinda Okuhle-ke laphana-ke embulalela ukuthi-ke usethole ukuthi-ke indodakazi yakhe laphana-ke uSilinda Okuhle-ke useqomile-ke laphana-ke usenesoka-ke wase-ke embulala-ke kabuhlungu-ke laphana-ke makuvela-ke qhubeka kuyavela nokuthi-ke ubevele-ke ejwayele-ke ukuyishaya-ke le ngane le nokudlwengula kuyavela kuthiwa engathi-ke impela-ke ubeke ayithinte-ke laphana-ke khona-ke usisi-ke laphana-ke osondelene nalo daba-ke ungene ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke laphana-ke wabe esebhala-ke wathi, "I am so angry that this young life was taken so cruelly by the man who was supposed to protect her the most, her father. This man clearly abused this child in life, killed her and abused her in death. How do you sit with your own daughter corpse for days? If the death was an incident, why do you not report it? I want to talk to neighbors real quickly. If you see or hear something, please say or do something. We cannot be immune to child cries. It is sad to hear neighbors say they got used to a child cries because she was often beaten. We cannot allow this to continue. I hope one day someone will have the courage to at least tell Silinda Okuhle's mother what happened. She deserves to know justice for Silinda Okuhle-ke." Laphana-ke kuthiwa-ke into-ke ebeseyijwayele-ke vele-ke lo baba lo ukuhlukumeza-ke yona-ke lengane-ke kuthiwa-ke ubesehlala-ke izinsuku impela-ke eziningi-ke nesidumbu-ke laphana-ke endlini-ke laphana-ke up until kuze aze abanjwe-ke laphana-ke kusasa-ke ubaba wayo-ke lengane uzovela-ke enkantolo-ke laphana-ke lana-ke mina ngicela laphana usungene ama-comment section-ke futhi usho uvo lakho ukuthina ucabangani-ke ngalolu daba-ke lolu osenze ukulungile-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngifakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke ukuze ungaphuthi izindawo zakhe njengamanje-ke ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje.